Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. This one is in the Sonic Gray exterior with the black cloth interior. And coming down here to our wheels, we are running on Continental Conti Pro contacts, 235/40 R18s, 18-inch alloys specific to the sport trim. Coming around back, as you can see, your center outlet dual exhaust, rear backup camera, rear wiper. And this one does have about 35,000 miles on it. So we'll just go ahead and hop in. Twist to start. Let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we have the 1.5 liter dual overhead cam Earth Dreams i4 with turbocharging. It's going to be front wheel drive, making 180 horsepower, 177 foot-pounds of torque, going through a CVT continuously variable transmission with sport mode. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we have that black cloth interior. It's going to be a 6-way manual driver seat. Door panel materials, nice padded armrest, power windows, locks and mirrors. Front 2 windows are automatic. Door storage right there. TPMS reset as well as your traction control off over there to the left of the steering wheel. And then coming to that steering wheel, it is a 3-spoke leather wrapped wheel. Cruise control as well as your audio controls, voice commands and Bluetooth over here on the left. Paddle shifters mounted on the back of the wheel. Automatic headlights, fog lights, tap to 3 blinks blinkers over there on the left. And over on the right you do have your intermittent wipers as well as your rear wiper controls. Looking at your gauges, you can see 36,417 in terms of mileage. And coming to your radio, AM, FM, as well as USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth streaming audio. Below that, single zone automatic climate control with your temperature right there, so you can just set your temperature, press automatic, and leave it. Or you can manually control your fan speed and zones. Below that, storage as well as some USB ports down there in storage. It's going to be the CVT continuously variable transmission, and going in reverse, you'd have that rear backup camera. Brake hold, power parking brake, and econ mode. Nice padded armrest. You do have cup holders right there. You can easily slide that back to reveal another cup holder. Glove box, you do have your owner's manuals in there. Manually dimming rearview mirror, map lights, and then your sun visor with vanity mirror. So that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Now coming back here, as you can see, you do have the black cloth interior following through. Front seat set by 5'9" frame, plenty of room, plenty of footroom as well. You'd have belts for 3, damped cornering handles up top, and nice view of the dash right there. So let's check out the cargo area and then we can wrap up our video. And coming around back, there is a membrane underneath your Honda logo to open up your hatch. Plenty of room, and you can fold down your rear seat 60/40 to expand your cargo room even more. You do have your tonneau cover right here to keep prying eyes off your goodies. This combined with the pre-existing portion up top will completely cover your stuff. You also do have your carpeted mats, and underneath your cargo floor you do have your temporary spare tire and jack. So we'll go ahead and close it up. And that about wraps it up for the 2017 Civic Hatchback Sport. Now if you're interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All their information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.